guys, and welcome back to more crazy gaming. We are playing Jak and Daxter. On the last episode, we completed the first planet, which was Ratchet's home planet, and we flew a ship off the planet, and we got Clank as our sidekick. So this time we're going to be exploring this new planet, hoping to find a ship that will get us off there. But first,
I got some great bargains for you today.
Okay, we can't buy this new weapon yet, but we should be able to here soon. So let's see. I want to go. Which direction do I want to go? I think I want to go down. Let's look around, see what we got. There's people shooting at us. You'll find that to be quite normal to this game. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to treat every game that I play very new-like. And why do I say new-like for this game? It's because I am trying out another mic. If you have been watching our Injustice God Among Us playthrough, me and Vic, we have been using this mic for it, and it's not the best mic, and I'm going to be getting a better mic here soon, but yeah, for this playthrough I'm going to be using this mic. I'm not going to change it through the playthrough. I'm just going to wait until it's over, and then I'll change it. So yeah, so we're going to have to deal with that for now. And, yeah. Well, I got accepted into college. I'll be going to college here in the fall. I'm very excited about it. And, I just got a job. So, I mean, we're looking at it. Now, I will put a little bit of a hindrance on the playthrough, but, I mean, nothing too bad. I'll still be able to record, and I've got enough stuff pre-recorded ahead of time to put up every Monday through Friday. So, yeah, no problems here. Okay, so we almost got enough to buy that, oh wow. Camera angles kind of suck. But, yeah, so we've almost got enough bolts to buy that new gun, which we will do here in a few minutes. So, let's continue to head on and see what we have. So they think they can blow up the bridge on us. How are they? This game, you're never going to be short for ammo. Ammo is always going to be relatively close by. It's just for what guns is your ammo going to be there for. Now, it seems like there's enough ammo for a bomb glove that we're not going to be too problematic. And we are just blazing right through this. Yeah. So some of the questions you might have is, yes, I will be trying to 100% this game in terms of getting all the gold bolts, getting all the gold guns, and buying every weapon, and trying to do all that. It will be difficult, yes, but I'm still gonna try. I'm gonna have to go all the way around again. So yeah, I'll meet you guys back where we were. Okay, so we're back where we were. And let's go ahead and put more of these bolts here. It's gonna be kind of the norm of this playthrough. We're just gonna be collecting bolts as much as we can. And just looking for some bad guys to kill.
hurt me. Don't hurt me. Oh, what are you? Mercenaries? Torturers? Assassins? I'll tell you anything. Here, take my infobot. It's all I've got left.
Sir, we're not assassins.
Hold on. Let's see what he's got.
Has this ever happened to you? Hi, I'm Captain Quark, and believe me, there's nothing worse than staring down a Blargian snagglebeast from the inside and knowing your equipment isn't functioning properly. That's why I come to Al's Robo Shack for all my electronic needs. Al has been the exclusive repair shop for my super electro gadgets since I was knee-high to a sand mouse. If Al can't fix it, it's not broke. Right, Al? You said it, pal! So if you're fighting crime, or just fighting grime, come to Al's Robo Shack in Metropolis for all your robotic repairs. Al's Robo Shack, it's Quarktastic!
Do you know what this means?
Yeah, Captain Quark is really sold out.
No, it means Captain Quark is on Metropolis. We could tell him about this invasion.
If we had a ship.
What? A ship? What? You're not going to torture me? Well, as planetary chairman, I could arrange for you to borrow our courier ship.
Cool.
You can count on us, sir.
Right. Thank you, your chairman shipliness.
Gadgetron infobots give you coordinates for new planets. You should press the select button to bring up the map and go to your ship. It's marked with a star.
Alrighty, so we click select, and yep, there's our ship. So, let's break open a few more boxes, and we'll head on back there in a second. So, yeah, is it just me, or does Captain Quark kind of remind you of the Crimson Chin from Fairly Odd Parents? That big old chin. That's exactly what it reminds me of. And, yeah, Captain Quark is kind of an idiot. Yeah, he's probably the worst part of the game. Yeah, I bet a lot of people will agree with me saying that, so... Yep. So, we have this easy little way back, so let's head on up. Alright, so let's buy our new gun, the Pyrocitor. Right. Now we got the Pyrocitor. So instead of heading in our ship, let's head over this way and see what we got over here. Because if you look at the map, it'll show you all the areas that you can go to and all the areas you've been to. So yeah, let's see what this place has to offer. So this is another mechanic that the help desk should tell us about. If it doesn't, then it should tell it. But yep, if you hold square and you go around in a circle, you can turn bolt cranks. And usually that'll open doors or anything else of the sort. So let's just let you know. Spray fire on everything. It is great. I actually really like the Pyrocitor. It might be my go-to weapon of choice. Possibly, maybe. I'm not quite sure yet, but yeah. Alright. So which way should we go? Let's just keep heading this way. Dive underwater. Square is to submerge. X is to rise back up. And you don't want your oxygen tank to hit or else, yeah, that will not be good. Ratchet, just grab the bolts. Okay. Alrighty. So let's head over this way. Click some more bolts. Tap down this. See what it has to offer. It has absolutely nothing to offer. You cheapskate. bolts. And let's head down here. There we go. Yeah, this pyrocity will be pretty good for the first part of the game. Why is that oxygen tank not heading away? Not going away. That's strange. Maybe since it's in a room where we have water? That's probably why. That might be why. Not quite sure. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Break open stuff, get more bolts. Pretty normal thing for me. And there we go. What did that serve? Absolutely nothing. Yeah, we went around in a circle, didn't do anything. But, alright, for kicks and giggles, let's go this way. See what we got to offer. Let's head on up. Got some more bolts. Yeah, in other games I would say use your guns and everything like that all the time because they would level up. But in this game, since it doesn't really level up, I'm gonna tell you your guns. It's up to you whether or not you want to use them. And, yep. Let's keep moving. Burn these robots who have no concept of burn. They don't burn, they melt. Or something, I don't know. Alright. Let's see if we're heading in the right direction. Yes, we are. Keep going. Boxes. Get the things, do the things. Alright, let's try jumping across here and miss. So, I think what this actually means is we are not able to get to the other side. Oh wait, we are. I thought we needed an upgrade to get to the other side, but we don't. We should be fine. Okay. Let's jump over here. Let's continue on before breaking these boxes. Yeah, this game kind of gets slow at points. It seems like everything is the exact same. And, yeah. And that's pretty normal. This game is very... It's not as full of life as the other ones are, if you get what I mean. Like, the other ones, they feel very vibrant and very fresh.
Blast it!
Look, plumber's crack.
What did you just say?
I said, look, the plumber's back.
All right, wise guy. Shouldn't you be on one of them escape transports?
Escape transports?
Newsflash, giant robots attacking! The escape transports are taking all the rich folks off this gall-darn planet.
So why aren't you on one?
Socioeconomic disparity.
What?
He hasn't got enough bolts.
Working people have to wait for Captain Quark to save us.
Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts?
I got this thing. Shows two weirdos ditching their ship. It's got coordinates to a desert planet, too.
An infobot. Ratchet, we could use that.
We got enough bolts. Let's go ahead and...
Geronimo!
Did he just slide down a sewer pipe?
Mayday, mayday! This is the solar ship Radical. We seem to be under attack from the planet's surface.
Relax, kid. It looks like some sort of fireworks display. Probably in your honor.
Whoa! That was close! Ah!
Pipe down, I can't concentrate.
Oh, we've been hit!
An unexpected detour. When we land, I'll see if I can scare up an exhibition for you.
We're not gonna live that long!
Kid, let's M-screen!
Eject! Eject!
Did you see that guy on the left? That was Skid McMarks.
Does he know Captain Quark?
I doubt it. He's a pro hoverboarder, always going off about how cool he is.
Looks like he's in trouble.
I'll say. I've never seen him look so freaked out.
So, there left my favorite character in the entire game, the plumber. I really like the plumber because I think you'll see why I like him in later games. He's just a really fun character, and I really like
To enter look
seeing
around
him.
mode, press and hold the L.
Yeah, we get it. I told them that in the first episode. If you didn't see the first episode, shameless plug here. There. There you go. Alright, so let's take a trip down a sewer pipe. And, it's kind of nasty, but alright. Alright, so we made it out. Alright, so, after fully completing this planet, and seeing all that it has to offer, I think we are going to end off the video here. So, next time on Let's Play Jak and Daxter, man, I am so used to saying that. So, on the next episode of Let's Play Ratchet and Clank, we'll see if we can get that auction thing off the side of the screen. And we'll see what new planets we have to find and what they can offer us. I will see you guys then. Just remember to like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.